Hey guys, welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. So we start off today, it's a great day, 17% on profit. But if we look at the past month and we compare to my last video, we can see that I had lost pretty much a good amount from, I'll say that's a good $3,000 right there. Option calls are super volatile and it's not doing so great for me. Today's a great pullback. And the market adjusted due to the trade tariffs that affect the technology sectors. If we look at my portfolio, most of my holdings are or pretty much all of it's in option tradings. My biggest holding right now is Amazon. We go to my equity. Let's see right here. Biggest holdings in Amazon. Going very long on it. Truly believe this company is going to be. This is my favorite stock right now. And I got VOO as another long-term stock. It's an SP 500 stock. Now my other stocks, which I kind of regret doing, which was I put it to the July 20th around that area, and I need more time for the pullback. I truly believe that IQ is a great long-term stock. As we go ahead and take a look at an article by Investor Palace, reliable stock website, and it talks about this stock is basically if you guys don't know about it, IQ is a China-based company, and it's just a website, not website, but a movie streaming such as like Netflix. And they do have a great comparison to Netflix. We see that the user base is already at around, in 2017, 50.8 million subscribers, paid subscribers, and it has a really great comparison to Netflix. And if we see here what it's saying that from the proportions of user base, paid user base compared from IQ to Netflix, that IQ has a price range that's way too low compared to Netflix. So I do see a great growth value in IQ, and it has a very similar business base in terms of revenue, advertisement, and it's going to grow as big. It could grow very big. Right now, IQ is only mainly based in China, and Netflix is based in worldwide. So there's a lot of growth for IQ to go. So I see a future in it. IQ is an IPO, I believe, like a couple months ago, and since then it's been up like 80%. Very good stock. And now, if we head back, my IQ stock, I bought it at a very bad time. I lost so much money on it. If you see this one, 98% of my value in this one. I was thinking trading long on IQ for options short term. Didn't work out as I planned. Trade tariffs during that time had shifted it down. Overall market was down. Didn't do great for IQ. I think IQ is a good buy at this time. Might buy back again if I gain a little more buying power, and that's what I'm going for right now. It's pretty much worthless at this point for me in terms of this contract I have here. Made a mistake by not selling off at least 1 or 2 contracts before this date. While I still had some chance to get some money back from it, so that hurt me a good portion. And we see here I got Starbucks. Starbucks I bought on a dip when it released 150 stores closing, and that had made a huge drop on them. But it kept on dropping a couple percent, and that hurt me a lot. I bought back when it was around here. It kept on dropping down more. Now it looks like it's on a pullback. Overall market is on a pullback right now, so that's a good thing. And DFEN, that's my last one. That's my biggest loss right now. If we look at total return, we look at $335 loss, $100 loss, $200 loss. But this one is my biggest loss. It's almost $2,000 loss today. I mean, not today. Total. We got a Oracle is a good buy for me. I'll tell you guys a little bit about afterwards. I lost 300 on Tesla, and I bought on dip, but it kept on dropping lower due to the market. So overall, most of these buys on options, what I made a mistake was that I put it only a month away from what I was buying, and during that time, it was the overall market drop because of the tariffs that Trump was going for. And I got Amazon going. I'm under 500 right now, but I believe it will be a good profit in the future. I got loads of time for it to bounce back. I see it as a long-term stock. And Oracle here, let's go to Oracle for a second. I bought on its dip just like Starbucks. It dipped on the same day as Starbucks, and it has been a good stock to me so far. Profit 400 overall, 94%. And if we take a look at it the past month, I bought on a dip when it was over here, and ever since then it's been going up. It'll probably be a good pullback. It's been dropping, going up. I might sell off soon. I'll see what the company has to say on terms of the news. And DFEN has been dropping a lot. I'm talking a little about DFEN. What's wrong with DFEN for me was that ever since there's a treaty going on between Trump and Kim Jong-un, the problem is that this means that less war equals less business for defense stocks and less funding from government, which resulted in this decrease right here. I thought I would just hold it out and let it come back, but wrong choice. But now I think it's a good time that market's going to settle back again from good pullback, and it will lead to a good settle down price point around this area. DFN has been a great stock. A lot of consolidation around this area. And that sums up pretty much my portfolio for the past three weeks. Or not 3 weeks, but yeah, 3 weeks, and I lost $3,000 ever since then, due to options. And my biggest problem was timing. One lesson from here is don't be like me who jumped in on IQ due to emotions, even though I knew a little bit about how trade tariffs would affected the market. At this point, it would affect it, but a lot of news are saying that how markets have settled down now. Now might be a good pullback time because the prices have shifted due to the trade tariffs. And IQ, before the trades, have been on a very good uptrend, as we can see here. I got very unlucky. I bought on this dip and kept on dipping since then. I do see good pullback. And I do see a future to it, so I do see a lot of potential. Thanks for listening to my video. Subscribe if you liked it. Let me know any feedback you guys want to let me know. And thanks for watching.